Tired of spending hours brainstorming domain names only to find they're taken? I get it. You type in idea after idea, and every single one is already registered. It is incredibly frustrating. But here's the thing. With Beastmode on Namecheap, you can generate hundreds of creative, available domain options in just seconds. No more guessing, no more dead ends. So, here's what we're going to do today. I'll walk you through how to access Beastmode, how to set your budget, use the Prefix and Suffix tools, and then finally generate a huge list of domains that are actually ready for you to register. It is a lot easier than you think. All right, let's start by going to Namecheap.com. You'll want to open that up in your browser. Now, on that homepage, look for the option that says Domain Name Search and click it. This is where everything begins. Once the search page loads, you'll see a section that's highlighted. Go ahead and click on that highlighted area. This is what opens the door to the more advanced tools. Now, the key moment here, click on the button that says Beast Mode. This is the feature we're going to use, and once you activate it, you will see the interface change. This is where the real power is. After Beast Mode is activated, click on the highlighted section again to reveal all the filters. This is where you can really start tailoring things to your needs. First up, let's set your budget. Click on Price Range. You can slide that to whatever you're comfortable with. Maybe you want to keep it under $10, or maybe you're willing to go up to $20. I've tested this a lot, and setting a realistic price range here saves you from falling in love with a domain that costs way more than you expected. So now that we've got that set up, let's move on to the next tool. Click on Transform. This is a really clever feature that gives you word variations. So if your main keyword is something like pixel, it will suggest related terms like pixie or pixelated. It helps you think outside the box without having to do the work yourself. Now, pay attention to this one. Click on Append Prefix or Suffix. This is where the magic happens. You can add common prefixes like get or my in front of your keyword, or suffixes like hub or io at the end. In my experience, this is how you find those hidden gems that sound professional and are still available. Play around with a few different combinations. Next, click on the highlighted area to confirm all the choices you've made so far. It's like locking in your settings. Now, you'll see a list of all the generated options. Go ahead and click Select All. This grabs every single domain idea the system came up with based on your filters. And finally, click Generate. This might take a moment to process, but once it finishes, you will have a massive list of domain names that are available and ready to go. No more manual brainstorming, no more wasted time. And that is it. You now know how to use Beast Mode on Namecheap to find great domain names in seconds. Give it a try on your next project, and I bet you will be surprised at what you find.